Okay, the figure below shows a quarter circle with a radius 4 cm. Find the perimeter of the figure. So again, they ask you to find the perimeter. So let's look at the perimeter right now. We know that we need to find this part first, right? Okay. Now this part is what fraction of a full circle? A quarter, right? Okay. So if I want to find the length of this, okay, this is actually, there's a name when we call this. Okay, there's a name for this shape here. This is actually called an arc. This length is also, actually we'll call it the length of the arc. Okay, can? Right, we will not say the length of the, we will not say circumference, or we will not say 1/4 circumference. We will say the length of the arc. Understand? There's a term for it. It's a mathematical term which you all need to know. Semicircle as well. Just now previously we have the semicircle, right? It's also, you can call it an arc as well. Okay, normally we use the word arc, right, when there's a sector. Okay, for example, you know, remember yesterday I was telling you there's a sector, right? A sector is like a piece of pizza kind of thing, right? Whenever you have a sector, right, the curve length is known as the arc. Okay, whenever you have a shape like a pizza, right, it's what we call a sector, right? You know how to spell a sector? Okay, S-E-C-T-O-R. Okay, and then the length of that sector, right, the curve length is known as the arc. Okay, all these are mathematical terms that you must know. Just like perimeter is a mathematical term, breadth is a mathematical term. Okay, now let's go to the question. Since we know that it's 1/4 of the circumference, okay, Elliot, tell me the formula to find the length of the arc. 1/4 times how do you find the circumference? What's the formula to find circumference? No, just let's say I'm just looking at formula for circumference. Tell me what's the formula for circumference. That's one of them. Pi times diameter is one of them, right? You all know, right? Yeah. Elliot, what's the second one? Oh, that's area. 2 times pi times r, right? Understand or not? Elliot, you sure? What's the first formula for circumference? Elliot, say again. Okay, second one? 2 pi times r. Understand or not? 2 pi r. Okay, or in short, we can say, okay, next time if I ask you, what's the, how to find the circumference, either you tell me it's pi d, which is pi times d, okay, pi times diameter, or you tell me 2 pi r, which means it's 2 times pi times radius. Understand? So you either answer me as pi d or 2 pi r. Jack, how to find the circumference? You see, you know that it's you're dreaming. You're dreaming. You know, you give Yongqian a headache. The moment you say that, she like that. Stop dreaming, Jack. Pay attention. Aisha, tell me. Pi d or 2 pi r? Pi d or 2 pi r? Next time I ask you, just tell me pi d or 2 pi r. Understand or not? Okay. Now, in this case, Elliot, should I use pi d or 2 pi r? 2 pi r, right? Because why, Elliot? Because? No. Alexis, should I use pi d or 2 pi r? Why? Because the question gave radius, right? So the choice of the formula is important, understand or not? Because the question gave radius, I'll use 2 pi r. Okay, so in this case is times 2 times pi times r. So this is actually, we know that 1/4 times 2 times 3.14 multiplied by 4. Yes? Okay, so you know that 1/4 times 2 is actually half, right? Correct? 1/4 times 2 is half. Half times 4 is 2, right? So 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. Okay, so you can actually solve it without using a calculator. Okay? Can anyone has any problem? So this is only the length of the arc. Am I right or wrong? Okay, this is only the length of the red color area. Length of the red color line. Okay, curved line. Okay, so is this the final answer? If this is not the final answer, Jack, what should I do next? I must? So you must add these two sides, right? Yes or no? You need to add 4. You need to add 4. Right? So you have 6.28 plus 4 plus 4, which equals to 14.28. Okay, 14.28 what? cm. So ANS 14.28 cm. Half times pi times r? No, because actually Damio asked me, can I just write sorry again, half times pi times r, is it? No, I want to see the formula 2 pi r. Okay, I want to see the formula 2 pi r. Okay. So let's look at the next question. Okay, I'm going to go through the question with you. I know that some of you have done it, but I'm still going to go through it so they can check. Okay, as I'm going through, I want you to check on your presentation, okay? As you're doing it, I want you to check on your presentation. Sky? Okay? Right? Check on your presentation, very important. I'm also going through it because quite a few of you never turned up for lesson yesterday. Okay? So, now to find area of a circle, okay, we need to use this formula. Okay? Area of circle equals to pi times r, right? This is what I taught the class yesterday, but some of you went for SYF. Okay. Of course, this is equals to pi r square. Okay? This is equals to pi r square. Now, pi r square, right? Okay, also I tell the class yesterday, pi r square is not the same as 2 pi r. Pi r square is not the same as 2 pi r. Yes or no? Can you remember? Okay, so please take note, okay, that pi r square is not the same as 2 pi r. Not the same, This one you need to take note. Okay, it's not the same. Because let's say your r is 4. Let's say your r is 4. If I do a 4 square, what do I get? 16, right? Okay, but is 16 equals to 2 times 4? No. Okay, I already explained to you all yesterday. Now, to find the area of each circle, we need to use the circle formula. So this is actually pi times r times r. I know that some of you have this bad habit of using capital R. Okay, if you use a capital R, please change it to a lowercase r, which is a small r. Okay, like what you see. Okay, like my diameter, I never use a capital D. I use a small d, lowercase d. Okay, right? So, Damil, can you repeat to what I just told the class? Repeat what I just told the class. Sorry? Then what must I put? Are you sure that's what I said? I said something else also. What did I say before that? Huh? Then? Look at your paper. Are you supposed to change it? So stop dreaming. I know you, I can see you dreaming, okay? So please take note, I know who did certain things because I was walking around to check on your work. Right? So if you did not follow what I said, better follow it. So in this case, pi equals to what, Amish? So you must use 22 over 7. Okay, 22 over 7 multiply by 14. Multiply by 14. Now, pay attention to my working. Okay, can I do fraction reduction here? Okay, now you see what I'm doing. 1. Can it be done like this? Can it be done like this? Okay, please take note. No, whenever you do a fraction reduction, let's say you only reduce 1, you can only reduce 1 here. You cannot reduce 1 here, then you reduce these 2. Understand or not? Okay? Right? Fraction reduction, the numbers must always take place in pairs. Okay, you cannot have 3 numbers, then you do reduction. Okay, because when you do reduce, right, it must be 2 numbers, 2 numbers. Okay, you cannot have, there's no such thing as you doing fraction reduction based on 3 numbers. Understand? Okay, take note of this. So in this case, I have 22 times 2 multiplied by 14, right? Yes or no? So what do I get? 616. Okay, remember write ANS at the side. 616 cm squared. Next question. Now, again, can I have show of hands who are those that went SYF again yesterday? Okay, Ken. Now, Lauren, tell me the formula to use in this case. Tell the whole class, I cannot. Stand up and tell the whole class. Tell the whole class the formula, they cannot hear you. Stand up and then tell the whole class. Face the class and tell them. Face the class and tell them. Loud enough, huh? No, you don't face me, you face them and say. Face the class and tell them. Hey, louder lah, they can't hear you. Damil, can you repeat what she just told the class to find the area of circle? Hey, hello, I just talked for nothing for the last 10 minutes, you know or not? And you're just sitting in front of you. I mean, sitting in front of me. Wake up, can or not? Lauren! It's serious when you're sitting in front of me and this is the kind of rubbish you're sprouting out of your mouth right now. The first answer she gave me was, to find the area of circle, I use pi d. Next, I say, okay, speak out louder, tell the whole class, you change to 2 pi r. Now you know you got this classmate in class. Actually, this is not a classmate because she's not in class. Yeah. Okay, sit down. You're not even here. She's not your classmate because she's not in class. Her mind is somewhere else. Wait. Okay. Jingkai, tell me, what's the formula to find area of circle? Pi times what? R means what? You sure R stands for radius? Huh? You sure? Are you very sure? Huh? Are you sure R does not stand for running? I cannot stand you, okay? Lauren. Pi times what? R stands for what? Times? Tell me the whole formula. Okay, it's pi times radius to find area of circle. Okay, or in short, next time you just tell me, when I ask you what's the area of circle, you just tell me pi r square. Understand or not? So call it out. What's the area of the circle? Pi r square. Huh? What's so funny? I asked what's the area of the circle, right? Oh, sorry. Okay. Hima, you got my answer wrong, right? Sherway, come, stand in front. Come right first. You want one? Come. No, you need your spectacles. You need your spectacles. Wait, stand here. Wait, stand. In front, closer. Read.
The teacher is always correct. When in doubt, refer to rule 1, number 1.
Read again.
The teacher is always correct. When in doubt, refer to rule number 1.
Read again. During recess time, you'll stand outside the staff room and then read for 30 minutes. Oh. No. Okay, that was a joke. Yeah, you're lucky. 5 minutes? Ask you to say, is it? So why don't you all do a duet? He say rule number 1, you say rule number 2. He say rule number 1, you say rule number 2. Then you all do it for 5 minutes lah, Clarence. 2 person, I think need to do 10 minutes lah. Clarence, don't sabo others ah. Okay, Wendy, what's the formula for area of circle? Yeah, are you sure? That's the answer I expect from you. Are you sure? You will really have to copy out, I tell you. Who thinks that he is correct? Put down your hand. You see, everyone thinks that you're wrong. So, Wendy, okay, please put down your hand. Wendy, tell me the area of circle. What's the formula to find the area of circle? Formula? Pi r square. This is what I want to hear from you. Pi r square. Don't tell me pi times r times r, pi times radius times radius. I want to listen pi r square. Okay, so now let's solve it because we have radius here. So pi in this case you must use 22 over 7 because it's given in the question, right? Times 28 times 28. Okay, Lauren, tell me how should I reduce it? Both the 28, right? Which 28? The left one is the left one or the right one? You sure it's the left one? Huh? You want to choose the right choice, huh? Right, most probably is right, you know. You sure you don't want to choose the right choice? Huh? Okay, you reduce it, what does it become? 4. Then what else must you reduce? Reduce this one to 4. Reduce it to what? 1. So 22 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 28, right? So Ryan, what's the answer? 2,464. So remember ANS 2,464 cm square.